The next step we're going to do, working with our background still, is I'm going to go to create, and I'm going to create another empty. And this one I'm going to call planks. For the planks, we're going to use this same type of ground, or you could choose a different type of flat type of object. It could be a crate, it could be something that they can jump on. There's all sorts of different things you can use, and you'll see a lot of different files or different sprites you can use. I'm going to come into my sprites. I'm going to go to my background, and I'm going to work with this number 8. So I'm going to click number 8 up here into my planks, and I'm going to click on 8, and I'm going to call this plank. So I'm going to work with just this one, and then I'm going to move it. So now that it's completely in the background, I need to come over and create my sorting layers. And now that I have my sorting layers created, I can put this on the same layer as what I'm going to put my pickups, because the pickups will sit right near these. So I'm also then going to just shrink this down a little bit, because I want to make it into just a basic type of object that I'm going to be able to jump on here. And there's my first plank. I'm going to add a component to it, just like we did to the ground, and we're going to add this box collider. Once again, the easiest way to edit this box collider is to click right here on Edit Collider, grab the green, and drag it all the way down to make sure that it's covered. So now we have our box collider on our very first plank. So we want to come over to create a folder, and the folder jumped right into my background, so I'm going to have to move that out, but I'm going to call this prefabs. And once I have my folder made, I'm going to click and drag it right over to assets again, so that we have our prefab scenes and our sprites. And clicking on my prefab, I'm going to drag this plank right to my prefab folder. And now if I have any changes that I need to make at different times, I can do that. So I'm going to drag in several planks that way, or Command D to duplicate them. So I'm going to zoom out so I can see more of my game board. So there we should have 12. We've got these 10 and then the 2 here. So now I have my 10 planks. They all have box colliders around them because I've already done that.